What's going on, everybody? There's truck driver Alex here, truck driver Jimmy, holding the camera. Because today I wanted to go ahead and just do the 100 squat challenge. You know, I challenge any of you guys to go ahead and do it. If you can, that'd be great. Let me know in the comments below if you went ahead and did it. All right. So this is something I've been wanting to do for a while, just to do it, just to promote, you know, healthy activities, exercise while being out here on the road. All right, folks. So, you know, the whole video is basically going to be me doing squats, you know, and at first we were going to do it in front of the truck, but I decided doing it where everybody takes their dogs to do the business. At least I would assume so. Mainly, honestly, because the engine was a little loud. We couldn't angle it right because of the sun over there. So I said, you know, let's just do it. I've had this idea in my head for a while, and just being lazy. And when I got up to go inside to the truck stop, speaking of which, we're here at the Easy Trip Travel Plaza. I believe we're in Madera County, right? Madera. Anyway, we're somewhere in California, all right, folks? So go ahead and bear with me. I'm trying to buy some time because I'm not looking forward to this. Last time I did 50 squats, and I couldn't. It was very, very hard to do my pre-trip. So I'll put it that way. Because once I squatted, I was like, oh no, how do I get up? Oh my God! Alrighty. So bear with me, okay? I'm gonna see if I can bang them out all in one shot. All right. Then after me, we're gonna do one with Jimbo right behind the camera. Someday soon, one day off into the distance, he will do those squats.
Yeah, someday.
Alrighty, folks, here we go. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and do. Let me know when you're ready. When you got it. Can I get a thumbs up, middle finger? Oh, okay, that works. Okay, cool. As you can tell, I really just on the fly this because I'm not in any type of workout gear other than the shirt. Alright, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got 9 more sets of that to do. 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Woo!
Come on, one more.
10. All right, so we're at 30. Oh boy, this is fun. Get that bug away from me. All right. As you can see, we're having some. Oh, Jimmy actually hit the bug. That's cool. As long as they don't get near me.
All you have to do is smack those things.
All right. Where did we leave off? We left off
30.
at 30. I want to also mention I am not a personal trainer. I am not giving any type of guidance on how to do the squats. I'm just trying to do it to the best of my knowledge. Here we go.
Stop stalling, hurry up.
1, 2, 3, 6. If you didn't hit the record button, I'm gonna kill you. All right, we're at 40. Lord Jesus.
You can do it.
Thanks. So 3, 4.
7, 8, 9. Halfway there.
All right. 50. 50. I got 5 of these. I need 5 more. God dang it. All right. $60. Oh, I know some of y'all are laughing on watching me do this at home. Feel free to join me, all right? 70. That means I got 3 more, baby. Whew. I'm already getting that noodly feeling.
$80.
What are you laughing at?
Huh?
Just me dying?
No. Yeah, sure.
It's because the most we've ever done together was 50, huh?
Right around there.
80, folks. I got 2 more. If I fall in the dirt after I'm done, make sure to keep it rolling. All right.
Well, you make the truck dirty. No, don't fall in the dirt.
Shut up. Nine. At 90. One more. One more, baby.
One more step. Push it out. Push it through.
I'm trying, all right?
Every minute you take, add 10 more.
No. And then after this, I'm gonna do 100 push-ups. Yeah, right. No. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yay!
One more, 2 more for good luck. Alrighty, folks, that was it. Hope I don't fall. That's 100 squats, all right? I'll be doing more videos like this. It'll either be me, Jimmy, or the both of us. The goal is to be able to do this video without looking like I'm about to pass out like I do right now. Anyway, thank y'all for watching. I appreciate it. God bless. Remember, I'm not a personal trainer. I'm not trying to instruct anybody in anything. I am, however, just trying to say get up and do something productive if you're out here working on these roads. You gotta be healthy, drivers. You gotta do some sort of exercise. Take care. God bless. Thank you for watching, folks. We appreciate all the support. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. Don't forget to click the links down below. And most importantly, don't forget to turn on notifications for when we upload more videos. You'll be able to see them too as soon as we upload them. Take care, everybody. God bless. Thank you.
Love you guys. Bye.